Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks, and I'm going to show you how to do this interlocking ring with a star. Probably the easiest way I've seen or figured out how to do this. Let's take a star, and if you watch enough of my videos, if you start from the center and you hold down the shift and control button at the same time, it grows from the center, and it's in the center of the object. I'm going to start slowing down my videos. A couple people have commented maybe go a little too fast, but I'm going to go to Effects and Contour. I'm going to contour to the outside. No, I'm going to contour to the inside, which is this one. If you hover over it long enough, it says Inside Contour, and hit Apply. Then I'm going to take a ellipse and hit P. That puts it in the center of the page. I'm going to hold down the Shift key so it will grow internally in the center, and then I'm going to go to the inside with a contour there. It might be a little bit big, but I think it'll work. So now select everything and go up to Object and break the four objects apart, because the fact that it's a contour, it might not delete here in a minute. Now we're going to take a 2-point line, holding down the Control button so it's perpendicular to the page, and then hit P. And then Control D and make a duplicate and rotate the duplicate 72 degrees. What that's doing is splitting that up. Now what we can do is take colors with the Smart Fill tool, and we're going to make the star, let's make the star a red. And well, first of all, we need to delete a couple of lines. Getting ahead of myself. So if you want the star to go through here, you take the virtual segment delete key and delete these lines. But then we need to do the opposite, so we need to delete the lines now on the circle on this side. That's giving the Smart Fill tool somewhere to go. We can actually take away this line now. We don't need it anymore. Well, yes, we do. Take it back. No, we don't. We don't need it. We don't need either one. Yeah, we do need the line, I'm sorry, to Smart Fill it. And now take your Smart Fill tool, set on red, and let's make the star red. Then let's pick another color for the circle, the ellipse, and we'll make it yellow. But then you have to make sure you get this side of the yellow, and then take this, well, that's what's so neat about it. You can select everything now and go up here, no line. So now you only have that part. But the lines are basically still there if you see. The best thing I have found to do is set your nudge factor. My page is 40 inches. Let's take it off the page. So I'm going to take the red and move it over, and the yellow, move it over, and the yellow, move it over, and yellow, move it over. Now let's do this and get rid of all that hidden garbage. Now I'm going to take the yellow back, and all I'm doing is hitting the left arrow key. That's my nudge factor of 40 inches. And I am going to combine these so the colors will be the same. It won't be broken in half. Then I'm going to select those. Now everything's still in the center of the page. I'm going to go ahead and group these, Control G. I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate. I'm going to double click till I get my rotation, and I'm going to go to the center of the page. It doesn't look like it is, but if you do it again and you need to click on that X, it is. We're going to rotate it 72 degrees. Control D, 144, Control D, Control D. There you have an interlocking star with different colors, so it looks like it's going in and out of the object. You know, it looks like it's going, let me get rid of my indexing lines. It's pretty cool, and you could always put lines around it by clicking on it and clicking a black line, but you don't want that because it's showing you that other part of the yellow that we combine. So just put no lines. And that can be corrected if you wanted to when you were making it. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.